Let's take a look at the core message that you want your slide decks to deliver in each section of your report out. You really have to know your core message, because if you have 5 or 6 core messages, people won't remember them. So when you know your core message, you ask yourself this question: what is the single idea I want this audience to remember from this presentation, from this slide deck presentation, from this team presentation? Well, I've had the privilege of hearing Simon Sinek present at a conference on the topic of Start with Why, his 2009 book. I've located his short version of his TED Talk, Start with Why. And I'd like you to ask yourself a question. As you watch this video, at the end, what is his core message? I hope you'll enjoy.